Coolant plays three critical roles. 1. It transfers heat from your engine to the radiator, preventing overheating. 2. It protects your engine and cooling system from rust and corrosion. 3. It prevents freezing in cold climates, which could crack your engine block. Coolant is a mixture of antifreeze and water. While water absorbs more heat per gallon than any other liquid, it freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When water freezes, it expands by about 9%, which can cause severe engine damage. That's why we mix water with antifreeze, which lowers the freezing point and raises the boiling point. Most modern coolants are ethylene glycol-based and consist of 47% ethylene glycol, 50% water, and 3% additives. These additives include anti-corrosion agents, rust inhibitors, water pump lubricants. The normal mix is 50-50 antifreeze to water, but for extreme conditions, a 60-40 mix provides maximum protection. However, higher concentrations can actually reduce cooling efficiency. There are several types of coolants available, and they're not all the same. Here's a quick guide. 1. Inorganic acid technology, IATO, found in older vehicles. Green in color. Contains silicates and phosphates, which can cause wear on water pumps. Phased out in the mid-1990s. 2. Organic acid technology, OAT, used in GM vehicles since 1996, like Dex Cool. Typically orange in color. Contains ethyl hexanoic acid, 2EH, which may damage some plastics. 3. Hybrid organic acid technology, found in many modern vehicles. Available in multiple colors like yellow, pink, and blue. Combines the benefits of IAT and OAT while being less abrasive to water pumps. 4. Phosphate hybrid organic acid technology, used in specific engines like Mazda-based Fords. Dark green in color and only available as a premix. 5. Universal coolants, often HOT-based. Can work in most vehicles but may not meet specific engine requirements. Here are some quick tips for keeping your cooling system in top shape. 1. Check your coolant level regularly. Make sure it's between the min and max marks on the reservoir. 2. Replace coolant as per your manufacturer's recommendations, typically every 2 to 5 years. 3. If you're mixing coolant yourself, always use distilled water to prevent mineral deposits. 4. Inspect hoses and the radiator for leaks. And remember, don't open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. The coolant system is pressurized, and hot coolant can spray out. So there you have it. Coolants are more than just colorful liquids. They're the lifeblood of your engine's cooling system. Keep your engine protected, and it'll reward you with years of reliable performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.